cows are here with us, not for us. They're not objects to be bought and sold. They are here for their own reasons, not to be our food or clothing. We have no right to breed or imprison them. We just stopped on the side of the highway because I heard a bell, and there's a cow here. There's a sweet cow. And some human put a bell around his or her neck. I guess it's a she, I don't know. Imagine living your whole life with a bell around your neck. How freaking barbaric is that? Hi, sweetie. Hi, precious. I'm sorry they put that around your neck. There's so many of them over there. There's an electric fence here. It hurts. I know, because I just touched it. The cows are over there. We're here beside the road in Italy on an island called Sicily. Each of these beautiful animals will be brutally murdered, betrayed by humans, terrified as they're put into trucks. And they will see their friends and family murdered in front of them. Each of us has a choice. We can choose to be kind, or we can choose to be cruel. We don't need to eat meat. We don't need to steal their milk. We don't need to breed them into existence. One of the craziest things about TikTok and about our society is that they've made this rule that animal rights activists can't show the suffering of animals because they don't want any suffering to be shown as such. And yet, they still allow hunting. They still allow fishing. They still allow people to hurt animals as long as they're doing it for religious purposes or for food. How does this make any sense? And do you think that they would have the same rule if people were cutting up cats and dogs? It's time to be vegan because we all know that animal abuse is wrong. Alright, it's time to eat. We're gonna get creative because there's not too many vegan options at this little place, but we'll see what we can do. So they said that they had a vegan burger, so that's great, but then they said they don't have a bun for it, but they do have bread. So I said, okay, bring us the bread and we'll see what we can do. So this is the bread, and this is what I did. I took my burger, which is 100% plant-based, and I kind of cut it up and put it on here. Luckily, these sauces are vegan, ketchup and this barbecue sauce, so that's great. It adds a little bit of some moisture to make it zesty and good. And here's the other one. And of course, fries are also vegan, so we can have some of those, which is great. Potatoes are vegan, and I have a coffee here, which kind of looks sort of weird. I'm sorry about that. It doesn't look very picture perfect, but it's delicious actually. And they didn't have soy milk, but we bring our own soy milk with us. It's easy to carry. It doesn't have to stay in the fridge, and we go through one of these easily a day. Seems to have little bits of avocado in it. A little bit of lentils and maybe a little potato. I don't know. It's good though.
The future is vegan.
yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Hey there. Listen, do you think that there is such a thing as people who are autistic and who are also vegan? Yes, there is. Your autism is not the animal's fault. You have no right to take it out on the innocent. The chickens never did anything wrong to you, nor did the pigs or the cows or the turkeys or the lambs or the sheep. You have no right to eat any of them, or to eat dogs, or to eat cats or horses. You have no right to eat anyone. You can be vegan and have autism. Go find yourself a vegan doctor who will help you to get over your problem and to be an ethical vegan. You can do it. No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. Hi, sweetie pie. How's it going? You look a bit dirty. Who's taking care of you? Oh, sweetie pie. You're so cute. You're so beautiful. You seem like you're well fed. Just walking around? Just checking stuff out? Yeah. It's nice to meet you. Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Hi. Well, we just got to our hotel room. My husband's gone downstairs to get some more of our bags out of the car, and I'm here looking at your comment. Like, what is wrong? Are you really that afraid of me? Just trying to get you to eat plants. That's it. It's not that hard. Here, have a look at our room. It's not that fancy, but it's kind of big. Look at the floors here in Italy. Remember, we're on the island of Sicily. We got an extra bed here to put our stuff on, got a desk, and check out this massive bathroom. Like, it looks renovated or brand new. Have you ever seen a bidet before? This is to wash your bum. Anyway, cheer up, okay? Be happy, be vegan.
Perdo quello che è stato. Mi sembra piaciuto di quando la notte mi sembra più vera e non come adesso nel sabato sera, ma insieme dammi la mano e torna vicino, può nascere un fiore nel nostro giardino che neanche d'inverno potrà mai celare, può crescere un fiore da questo mio amore per te.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's